Jogging period is smarter at the morning time from very beginning to 8 a.m. But there is no time for exercise because you may not get enough time every day same time. At the jogging or exercise time, you may change your choice, as like I am walking at the morning. My child Araf is go to school. I accompanied with him and I try to jogging or walking. By the way, most of time I walking at the working time. Day long, anytime when I get time, I try to exercising by walking, running or carrying heavy materials like bazaar or family many work. Many people do not used to habit to doing family work. Even they use lift without walking to arise. But if we use our normal daily life, simply this is a habitual fact to maintain our regular health. At the morning time, South Street, Dhaka. By the way, for jogging, we should first our walking gradually. Suddenly we started running. This impact on the body. So starting jogging mobility should be rising gradually. ধন্যবাদ। আমরা চলে আসছি দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী কেন্দ্রীয় জামে মসজিদের সামনে।